Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to instantly convert SPaylater to Gcash in Lazada. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into it. So talking about it, it's not physically possible to instantly convert SPaylater to your Gcash because SPaylater credit cannot be withdrawn. However, you can use your Gcash to repay your SPaylater bills. This means SPaylater is only available to certain Lazada users. You can only use SPaylater with Shopee Pay or Lazada Pay and merchants with QRPH at selected shops. So by using your Gcash, you can simply pay SPaylater bills on these platforms. Or simply you can also contact to the Shopee or Lazada contact support to know more about it and get detailed information. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.